homemade crunchy chicken. See you in a bit.
Wee, who ready for that tip? I am.
Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back to Kendra's World Candy Lands. Happy Thursday, y'all. So today, I made some light and quick. Some chicken wings. You can never go wrong with chicken. And the funny thing about it, I can eat chicken every day. Especially wings. I don't care too much about the drum. I just like the flats. But yeah, but being as I made it, I'm gonna eat them a little later. But I will be eating the flats. So let me get this thumbnail going and we'll get our day started. It is what it is. So today we're going to be talking about cancer's negative traits. So where my crabs at? Y'all in the building? Is y'all in the building? But even though I don't really like the drum, I do like the gristles. I eat that. So what's on the agenda for this pre-Friday? Me catching up on some housework, catching up on some of these videos on YouTube, and just enjoying the rest of my day until Friday. I normally don't put out videos on Friday. I do a little vlog, all depends. So I don't know how this Friday gonna go. What I'm gonna do. So we'll see. As far as a sippy sip time and a little bit of lime. It's sippy sip time and my little bit of lime. More than likely it will be a sippy sip time. I ain't gonna even quote that, I ain't gonna even hold that. And I might do live. So when I do my lives, it's going to be about sippy sip time. And I want everybody to come in there with their drink. That's how I roll. Here, I don't do live just to talk. Because I'm not a talkative person like that on no social media. I ain't turn this chicken out. But like I said, I still got some because I don't eat the wings. I'm chill. So, I am hungry. And you know when you wake up in the morning, you want to eat. And I do not want no breakfast food. No. I had to take some chicken, and I got up and fried me some. But look, the sad part about it, they gonna be eating chicken and rice boiled. I don't want none of that. I ain't want no side orders or nothing. So let's get into this cancer thing. Where y'all crabs at? Bring it on in. Bring it on in. I'm breaking it down, y'all. Ooh, that was a big one. Ooh. You be want to get that bite in when it's hot. But it be too hot. So let's do it. They say the cancer negative traits, they are moody. They could be very temperamental. They have mood swings and unpredictable. They do. They are. But sometimes it's good to be unpredictable because I'm unpredictable. Because my thing, you know more about me. Or you think you know. What? That's all I can say. How do you know more than me? But I'm not a Cancer, I'm a Pisces, so this Cancers, they similar. They said the another negative trait they have. They said they tend to have setbacks and failures. I'm not understanding that. So who are Cancer in here? What they mean about setbacks and failures? Because I thought Cancers were go-getters. So where the setbacks and failures come from? The ones I've been around, they are go-getters. Or does it mean the setbacks and failures that they do too much or try too hard, that causes them to have a setback and it causes them to fail? I don't know. Their other negative trait they said was they are too clingy. They find it difficult to let go. They are clingy. Well, the ones, I can't speak for all. I'm just speaking what I research and I'm speaking what I know, as far as by personal experience with people that I know are Cancer. You clingy. Give them my space. They think if you don't want to be bothered right there and then bring friends from them. No, you clingy. Bye and toodaloo, come back another time. And they say they're over-emotional, suspicious, a nagger, and they complain a lot. Oh, wow. They went in. That research thing went in on y'all Cancers, John. They went in. So, if you're a Cancer and you know a Cancer, comment below. Like I said, I'm just doing research on these zodiacs. If I could say something personal about them, I would say it. Because my sign is a Pisces, so I'm just elaborating what these notes say. And some of my personal experience. So, I'm going to let y'all go. Y'all enjoy y'all Thursday. Until next time, I'll be back with another mukbang. Oh. If you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, pass it on by. Until next time, I'll see you soon with another rhyme.